Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the Heleman Magnetic Door Stops. These are a drill or no drill option magnetic door stop. I'm going to show you how to get them installed. Let's first take a look inside the package. Now here we are taking a look inside the package. Got a little tape here we can pull off. And inside we'll find our door stops with some hardware. So here's the metal hardware itself, some screws. And here we have the door stop. Now you can see the magnetic component here works like that. Pretty strong. And we've got our base plates with the screw holes. At the bottom, we have our foam 3M adhesive discs that can be used. Pretty nice idea for quick application, since you can use the adhesive disc on the bottom, stick it on the door, and then also apply the adhesive disc to the other end, the magnetic end, and simply close the door to where you want it, which will line up the other adhesive. So very nice, easy installation there. You can also go the traditional way of drilling your pilot holes and installing them with screws. So up to you. Now here in our restroom, we have a door that should stay all the way open, allowing access into this restroom that has a pocket door. So in this situation, if the door isn't maintained in the open position and swings forward, as it often sits, this situation means that every time somebody comes in and out, they have to push against this. So it's a perfect application for a magnetic door stop. So here we are behind the door, and I've applied one of our adhesive pads to part of the door stop. Now you can choose which end you want to be on the door and on the wall if you want the long or short end there. I think it makes a lot of sense to go ahead and just do the long end. The reason why I say long end to the wall personally is just because I think that's what most people are used to seeing. So I'm gonna do mine that way. All right, so I've made a little adjustment here after a couple tests to line up the door. And this is the position I like the best. It keeps the door just off of the frame here. And so I'm going to place the other adhesive pad and the magnetic portion there, and I'll close the door, and where it sticks, it sticks. I'm gonna try this for a while before I consider screwing it into the wall itself. And if it works well enough, I'll just leave it as is, but I want to try this for a while in this position just to make sure before I end up screwing it in. So another potential benefit of doing an adhesive installation initially, it makes it nice to be able to adjust and fine tune, but also, again, I want to be able to use it for a while in that position as a test. So here we are, I'm going to close the door and let it stick where it sticks. And now it sits nicely here on the door itself in the correct position because we just put them together. And I also, gosh, I really like this kind of spring-loaded portion to it. It makes this whole thing so much nicer. Look at that, just nice. And it stays. So exactly what I wanted for this particular use case of a door stop, a magnetic door stop. Nice closure, and solves the issue I need it to. I think that so far as I can see, and I'm like putting pressure on these, there's no movement with just the adhesive. So I may choose to leave this without the screws, but we'll see. In any case, they give you enough for both to do screws, adhesive, whatever you prefer. So overall, I think it's a nice kit and it meets the functional need that I have in this situation. So hopefully this video helps you. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my reviews. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. Bye.